Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipline. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on LaTeX. So this is our first document na gagawin dito sa ating tutorial. And yung unang-una natin gagawin ay syempre open natin yung TeXmaker. No? Sa previous video ay napag-aralan natin kung paano mag-install ng TeXmaker, kung saan siya mada-download at kung saan din mada-download yung MikTeX. No? Dalawang software yan na kailangan nyo para kayo makapag-code ng LaTeX. And once na na-download nyo na yan at na-install, ay ang una yung gagawin is to open the TeXmaker. So ito yung environment ng TeXmaker. Para tayo makagawa ng bagong document is we just click the new button here at the upper left part of the window. So pag kinlik natin yan, magkakaroon tayo ng new document window kung saan pwede tayo mag-type. No? Ang una nating ita-type pag tayo ay gagawa ng isang LaTeX document ay document class, no? Tapos yung mga parameters na aaralin natin later. Pero ngayon ang aaralin lang natin ay yung font size. Lalagyan natin ng 12 point. Yung 12 point enclosed by a square bracket. Tapos article enclosed by curly brackets, no? Now, yung article is a class of document and we have different classes of document such as book, report, CV, resume, etc. So, but we will be working with articles in the first, I think, major part of the series. Next is, after that, enter natin and we type begin, document, and makikita nyo, nag-automatic na yung end document. So, yung begin, may backslash siya. Tapos yung document is again enclosed by two curly brackets. Now, sa gitna, between the begin document and the end document, dyan natin ita-type yung ating mga codes ng ating LaTeX document. So, for example, this is my first LaTeX document. Yan yung ating first LaTeX document. And, syempre, bago natin i-run ay dapat i-save muna natin siya. Okay. Now, save ko siya as lesson 1 and kung makikita nyo, meron akong sinave before. Kaya ako nag-save ahead para makita nyo na pag nag-save kayo ng document, actually 4 yung sinisave yung documents. Yung pinaka-output natin ay yung PDF at yung pinaka-file natin kung gusto niya i-open later at i-edit. Yung extension name niya ay .tex. Since we are producing 5 files, no, for every document, I suggest na hiwalay nyo yung inyong LaTeX document sa inyong mga other documents kasi medyo magulo yan pag marami na. Okay? So, save natin and since meron ng na-save before, we just replace it. Now, the question is, paano natin i-run para makita natin yung PDF na format niya? We just click this button here. So, kung nakikita niyo yung parang arrow, yung run button natin dyan, just click that and you'll see na yung ating document ay nandito sa kanan. Okay. Sabi natang palaki. Okay, so ito yung ating document. Of course, you can magnify. No? You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay? So, masisave tong PDF file na ito dun sa folder kung saan yung sinave yung document. Okay, so sa previous video, nabanggit ko sa inyo na LaTeX is used by mathematicians, no, and scientists to publish research papers, to write books, no. And ang napaka-special ng LaTeX kasi pwede tayong gumawa ng mga complicated formulas na magiging output niya maging maganda. No? So the first formula that we are going to write is the Pythagorean theorem. Pag gumawa ka ng formula sa TeXmaker and some of the LaTeX app ay enclose mo siya sa dollar sign. So for example, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. You're telling LaTeX that this is a formula because it's enclosed in $2 signs. So save natin ulit. And then i-run. And makikita nyo ito na yung formula. Okay? Naka-indent siya, no? Makikita nyo naka-indent yung first sentence. That's default by LaTeX formulas. That's the default by the LaTeX editor. And later, pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba i-format yung mga documents. Halimbawa, gusto mong naka-indento dito para pantay. So, pwede naman yun. But we will learn about that later. Ngayon, pag-aaralan muna natin yung mga formulas kasi yun ang important. That's it for this video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. We will have more LaTeX tutorials in the near future. So, abang-abangan nyo lang. No? Nagpa-publish naman ako madalas. I'll see you in the next video.